Venerable Charles operator by the special grace of God, I'm the administrator of this cathedral church. I'm the administrator. By the special grace of God, we came in August 16th last year, and we are counting. So we want to thank God for the special moments we had with Ajie, by the special grace of God, I've known him for 17 years. Ever since the inauguration of this place as the cathedral of the Anglican Church from the lake. So Sifa has been a supportive father, a good churchman who loves the service of God and who loves to support people. There are so many things one can count that this church actually has benefited through Sir Sifan, popularly known as Ajie, Erime AgwuAgwu. By the special grace of God, some years ago he attended that position as the 19th opera of Abatu village here in Ugwuta. And a position he held honorably. And when he pleased God to call him home, he answered the call. So we want to thank God for everything about him. His family, they are all wonderful. His signature is here imprinted in this cathedral church. So we want to appreciate God for him. We can't stop talking about him. We cannot stop talking about Sifan. He's a lovable Christian father, a knight of our church. Not just a knight, a man who carries the burden of this St. Mary's church. Every time, each time you call on him, you must leave his home happy, with hope and assurance that you have been with someone. So we can't stop talking about him. On our own, we will do our best to keep the legacy he has left here flying. We want to thank God for his life. The burial was so smooth. Look at the number of people he attracted. Sitting governors everywhere. P2B was here. So if he's that kind of ordinary person, if he's a man that has not affected people's life, you can't find such class of men in this place. So we appreciate God for his life. It's not easy.